Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the OTG connection, so in order to enable it we have to tap on the switcher. Right now this option is of course active. If you want to turn it off, you've got two different ways, so you can not remove but turn it off manually just by tapping on the switcher, or your device will automatically turn it off whenever you will not use it for 10 minutes, so it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.